Let's take a walk. This is a bazaar next to Jameh Mosque, as you can see. It's a bazaar full of handicrafts, some yes related, some not. A lot of them have terme and some copper work, silver work. And of course some completely unrelated shops. It's beautiful though. As you pay attention to the shape of bazaar, its roof, that's almost the shape of all the bazaars in Iran. A lot of people cross these roads with bicycle because it's not a car allowed here. Cars are not allowed here. These are Persian carpets and stuff. Love walking in these alleys. And a lot of these places have been rebuilt and reused as coffee shops and restaurants. Great places. Let's review the shops again. This is terma and earthware. This is a lot of makeup, I think. I don't exactly remember. Jewelry. Signs of Yazd for tourists. Dresses, bags. These are all handicrafts, handmade, I think, if I'm not wrong. Cute little girl. And this is copper work. These are ferfere. I don't know the name in English. Spinner, maybe. This is another view of the Jameh Mosque. I hope you get to see this place someday. And thanks for watching with me. Good night.